come here together this morning to place these flags on our fellow veterans' final resting places and to remember their service to our country. The flag is a symbol of freedom. They all served under it. Always with them in times of war, at every battle flying high and proud, and also during the times of peace, wherever they were serving. So as Memorial Day approaches, let us understand what really means remembering those no longer with us. Be with our posts as we begin our centennial year, as we place these flags, continuing our Poppy Days tradition, and then attending the service and remembrance. Let us continue to serve God and country. And salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Two. Distribute some flags. Hi, Bobby. How you doing? Good.
How about you, sir?
I got drafted in 1966. I was working on a job, and I.
Oh, I was an MP, like George.
Like George, huh?
Yeah, yeah. And that's about all.
That's about all. Well, again, thank you for serving. Fantastic.
So, 4 years in service and traveled quite a bit. It was in Korea. I was in a tactical missile outfit in Korea. We were bombing Laos ahead of Vietnam, but I didn't end up in Vietnam. A lot of my friends did. But I wrote my father a letter. I said, if he can get me a job on the railroad, I'll get out of the service. Otherwise, I'll stay in the service. Well, needless to say, he got me a job on the railroad. 40 years later, here I am. Well, I'm retired 20. So
Very nice. What's your story?
my story?
Yeah, where you're from, what got you into the
Oh,
military?
I graduated in '58 from Delaware Valley. I was supposed to go to college, and my father got sick, so that canceled that out. And actually, this one here is Charlie Brink. His son's putting flags on the graves now.
Wow.
Watch your back.
Yep.
So instead of going to college, I fooled around a while, and all my buddies joined the Army, and my stepbrother was in the Air Force, so I joined the Air Force. 58 to 62. Best thing I ever did.
Could I ask you to give me a salute?
Huh?
Could you give me a salute? Good. So I heard there's a commander here.
Well, I'm past commander of the Legion. I'm a deputy district commander. And I'm commandant for the Marine Corps League.
Just trying to get everybody's story, a little bit of a story.
Like member of the VAB.
Yeah.
That's all about the vets. What we can do.
So how many times a year do you guys do this? So you got all the flags. How many past soldiers would you say are out here?
I don't know. I think there's about 400.
400. So every year they get remembered, which is very nice.
I just visited my wife there.
Oh, well that's okay. That's very good.
Deliver to him.
Hi fellas.
Hello there, Michael.
Can you guys give me a little bit of background? What got you into the military?
Okay.
Don't need to be nervous.
Actually,
Who wants to go first?
Actually, I was almost a draftee. That was during the time when there was no college deferments. They took it away. So I was 18 on the list. So I enlisted in the Navy rather than taking my chances with getting drafted. And the wonderful thing about it, I was a ship serviceman for 4 years. I was able to go back to college under the GI Bill. So I am very indebted to the United States of America and what they did for us.
Very nice. Catch everybody
How
and
about
get a
you,
little
sir?
story behind everybody.
Okay.
So what got you involved?
Got me involved? I've been involved for a long time. I was actually in Milford for a lot of years and then switched over to Matamoros when I restarted to move here. I was in the Army back in 68 to 71. Spent most of my career in Germany.
So what years did you serve?
55 to 59.
Wow. Any particular place?
I'm sorry?
Any particular places that you went?
Oh, all over. I circled this planet.
My father gave me an ultimatum. Either go in the military or you're out of the house.
Ah.
I had other family members that signed up and I thought it was a good idea.
All my brothers and sisters were all military in our family.
So
Two
what's
Navy
that?
and 3.
Better hunter than a trapper.
His father Glenn was too.